Welcome to EDU Aero Classroom. In this tutorial, we will learn about lines and angles in which we will cover parallel lines and a traversal, parallel lines and a transversal. A line which intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. For example, we can see in figure line L intersect the line M and N at point P and Q. Here, four angles are formed at each point P and Q. We named them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, angle 1, angle 2, angle 8 and angle 7 are exterior angles. Where angle 4, angle 3, angle 5 and angle 6 are interior angles. Some pairs of angles are formed when transversal intersect the lines at distinct points. They are corresponding angles, here angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles, angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles, angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angles, angle 3 and angle 7 are corresponding angles. Now alternate interior angles. Here angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles and angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles. Now alternate exterior angles. Angle 1 and angle 7 are alternate exterior angles and angle 2 and angle 8 are alternate exterior angles. Now interior angles of the same side of transversal. Here angle 4 and angle 5 are interior angles of same side of transversal, and also angle 3 and angle 6 are interior angles of the same side of transversal. Interior angles of same side of transversal are also called consecutive interior or co-interior. Now we have axiom here. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angle is equal. Therefore, here angle 1 is equal to angle 5, angle 2 is equal to angle 6, angle 4 is equal to angle 8, and angle 3 is equal to angle 7. The converse of the axiom given above is also true. That is, if a transversal line intersects two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel to each other. For example, if the line L intersects the line M and N such that angle 1 is equal to angle 5, then the line M and N are parallel to each other. Now, another axiom is, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate angles are equal. Here, in the figure, M and N are parallel lines and alternate interior angles. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6 and angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Therefore, if two lines are parallel and a transversal intersects these two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. Now, the converse is also true. If a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angle is equal, then the two lines are parallel. For example, in the figure, we have M and N two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angle is equal, then the two lines are parallel. Here we have two lines M and N, and a line L intersects the two lines M and N such that the alternate angle 4 and 6 are equal, then the line M and N are parallel. Now, another axiom is, if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary. That is, we have two parallel lines M and N, and each pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal, that is angle 4 and angle 5, is supplementary, means the sum of these angles is 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 5 is 180 degree. Now we will see the converse of this axiom. If a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. Consider a transversal L intersects the line M and N such that the interior angles on the same side, that is 4 and 5, is supplementary, that is the sum of 4 and 5 is 180 degree, then the line M and N are parallel.